Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 803 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another product from my April 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. This is the Ciate London Triple Shot Xxl Mascara. It says Extreme Lengthening and Volumizing Fiber Mascara. It's cruelty-free and vegan. And it sounds really cool and different than any other mascara that I've tried before, which is saying a lot because I've tried out many mascaras. But it has flower-shaped fibers that attach to the lashes and are supposed to make your lashes look extra long. It says it only takes one quick coat to get the false lash results. This retails for $22. But I'm very intrigued to see what these little fibers are going to look like. It's a pretty big mascara. I will, of course, have my unboxing video of my April 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I really do think that's one of my best Ultimate boxes that I've gotten so far. So I'm really excited about it. I got a lot of makeup products, which is what I want. And I've been getting a lot of Ciate London products in my beauty subscription boxes, whether it's BoxyCharm or Ipsy. And I would say the results are split 50-50 in whether I like the product or not, which makes me very intrigued to try out this mascara. So let's check it out. I can't really tell what shape the fibers are. So I'll probably be able to tell once I apply it to my lashes, but here's the applicator shape. And I do like this shape of applicator that gets skinnier because then you can get those small lashes at the inner corner and the bottom lashes easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and we'll see how it does. I noticed right away that it has a very good full black color. And it actually does go on pretty thick right away as well. So it adds a lot of volume right away, which kind of makes me understand why they're saying it only takes one coat, because the amount of volume that I'm getting with just this one layer is the amount of volume that it takes a lot of mascaras 2-3 layers to get. Wow, okay, I'm actually very impressed by this right away. It added a lot of volume and it coated all of the lashes very quickly. Wow. It didn't claim to curl and lift the lashes, and it definitely does not. I didn't use my lash curler because I wanted to see if this would curl my lashes, but it doesn't. So that's the thing, my lashes are staying pretty straight out, not lifted and curled. So I would definitely want to use a lash curler before using this mascara. But let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and tap the ends of the lashes. And I have found that that technique works so well with fiber mascaras to add length, because a fiber mascara has little tiny fuzzy hairs on it that attach to the lashes and build up the volume and give that false lash effect. And so by tapping the ends of my lashes, I feel like it adds a lot more length because it's attaching little fibers there. But I really don't notice these flower-shaped fibers. It doesn't look like my lashes are fuzzy. It doesn't look like there's any little fibers hanging off of them. But wow, I seriously think that just the one coat really is all you need because there is so much volume added. I really have been loving fiber mascaras lately because it just makes such a big difference in the lashes. It seriously looks so volumized and it does give a falsy effect. So here is the difference. I just think if my lashes were curled more, it would look so much better. They would look longer, but that really does look great. The lashes stayed separated, there's no clumping. I am very impressed. So now I'm gonna try applying it to the lower lashes. I love a mascara that's very quick to apply because I want volumized lashes. So sometimes I'm layering up multiple mascaras, spending a long time on my lashes, and this mascara seriously cuts down on the time. And this works great on the bottom lashes. I love this applicator because I'm not getting mascara on my under eye, on my eyelid. So that's really nice. It said you really only need one coat, but let's go in with another and just see what happens. Ooh. Yes, it does layer up. It kind of reminds me of like magnets, and when sand sticks to magnets, like the magnetic sand. It kind of looks like that. I don't know if that makes any sense in my description, but it's really neat. I'm like mesmerized looking at it up close. So here are the results with it versus without it. I think it is a beautiful, dramatic result. And this is actually living up to all of those claims. I love the application. So easy to apply, so quick. Like right away, it looks like I've already applied 3-4 layers of mascara. If you have small, short lashes, I highly recommend trying out a fiber mascara because it basically adds lashes onto your existing lashes. Like there is so much volume in these lashes right now that they are almost looking like a solid lash. I just can't get over all of this volume. It's amazing. And this is one of my favorite bottom lash mascaras because the applicator works great and it also adds the volume to the lower lashes. Because I feel like my lower lashes are pretty small, kind of sparse. So this mascara actually makes them noticeable. But there's no smudging on my under eye, which is so nice because I hate that look and I feel like it happens very easily for me. I'm just so curious about this flower-shaped fiber. And I'm not seeing what I would describe as flower-shaped, but the fibers, they look a little bit longer than the other fibers I've seen in my mascaras, and they curl. They're kind of like a C shape, but it works. I think it's really cool. It's a very innovative mascara, and I've tried out so many mascaras, and this really impressed me and is different. So I can confidently say that this is a Ciate London product that I really like. So if you've tried this mascara, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. But I'm definitely going to start using this as a daily mascara because I love what it did to my lashes. If I just curl my lashes, throw on this mascara, I'll have my ideal lashes quickly and easily. And I am seriously very picky with mascaras. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you and your loved ones are staying safe and healthy. Hang in there, keep doing the best that you can to stay at home, social distance, and I would love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.